Hello friends, discuss diseases caused by malfunctioning of cell organelles. First one is lysosomes. Lysosome break down waste material inside cells called stomach of cells. Disease caused by Tay-Sachs disease. Tay-Sachs disease, molecules which need to be broken down get accumulated due to defined of lysosomal enzymes. What is symptoms? Symptoms is shown after birth. Effect nerve cells, irritable seizures, blindness, deafness, paralysis. Affected children die at age 5. Peroxisomes. Similar to lysosomes, our cell organelles have digestive enzyme which break down toxic material. They require O2 to work, and disease is ALD, adrenoleukodystrophy. This disease accumulation of long chain fatty acid in tissue. Next one is symptoms of aggression, poor memory, poor performance, stiffness, weakness, paralysis, ataxia in adults, because peroxisome lack in a protein in organic molecules of organic transports enzyme which break down the long chain fatty acid according in brain causes death. Next organism is mitochondria. Mitochondria is called powerhouse of the cell. Take up calcium, release when needed. Present in every cell except RBC, and due to mutation cause altered function. They get diseased, produce low energy, follow cell injury, cell death, causes damage to brain, heart, liver, kidney and respiratory system. Symptoms include motor control, muscle weakness, pain, GIT disorder. Next is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus function is to modified short pack macromolecule formed by cells involved in transport of lipids, formation of lysosomes. Achondrogenesis type 1A. Defect in microtubules of Golgi apparatus, rare genetic disorder, causes short trunk, small limbs and narrow chest. Because the body does not produce enough Golgi apparatus, bone cartilage do not develop properly, soft skull bone. Next organism is ribosomes. Ribosomes that make proteins and amino acids made up of RNA attached to endoplasmic reticulum, causes ribosomopathies. Genetic abnormalities. Abnormal means connected to bone marrow failure, disease, cancer. Next discuss is mineral is calcium, magnesium and phosphate. Blood disorder, iron, transferrin, vitamin B12, folic acid. Glucose is reactive protein, glycated hemoglobin, uric arteric blood, ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone. Toxicological screening and forensic toxicology. Drugs and toxins, neurospecific enolase, NSE and FOBT. Fear occult blood tests.